Okay, good afternoon, grade 6. The other video had a glitch, so I'm just going to redo it quickly. We are talking about data handling today and data sets, and we are discussing what the words median and mode, what they mean. So when the scores in a data set are written in numerical order, the middlemost score is called the median. So what that means is if I have scores, for example, like this, marks out of 10, and I have 8, 5, 6, 3, 9, 10, and 6. So the first child got 8 out of 10, this one got 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and 6 out of 10. The first thing that I need to do, I need to write it in numerical order. So I'm going to align them or write them from small to big in a descending order or an ascending order. So from small to big, ascending order. So I'm going to write them. I'm going to start with the smallest number. That's going to be a 3. Next number will be a 5. Then a 6. Then once again a 6. Now I've got an 8. Now I've got a 9. And now the 10. Okay, so I took my numbers. I took my data set. I ordered them from small to big. And now I'm going to find the middlemost score. That's the score in the middle, and I call it the median. So if I want to find the score in the middle, I'm going to do it like this. Bunny hops. One from that side, one from this side. One in, one in, one in, and one in. So this one is my middlemost score. So that will be, the median will be 6. Now the mode, that's going to be that score that I saw the most. So which one do you see the most of here? I see 2 of 6. So once again, 6 will be my mode. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ages in years. So now I have a group of scores. This child is 14 years old, 7 years old, 22 years old, 14, 13, and 11. Now once again, I start off by ordering these numbers, either from the smallest to the biggest or from the biggest to the smallest. Ascending order going up and descending order down, but I'm going to write them, I prefer writing them in ascending order. So I'll start with the smallest number, that will be 7. Next one, 11, 13, 14, 14, last one, 22. The reason that I do that, I make sure that I use every number, because sometimes you have 30 or 40 numbers and you lose track of which number you used and which numbers you didn't lose. So it's always good to make a little mark when you are done with them. Okay, now we are going to find the median. That's the middle. So let's go. Let's mark them. It's 1, 1, 2, 2. Oops, and now I see I have no number in between these two, but I need the number in the middle. That means I've got to find the number that lies exactly between 13 and 14. So what number lies exactly between 13 and 14? Okay, I know, I can see that that's 13 and a half. So my median here will be 13, comma 5, which is exactly the same as 13 and a half. If I didn't know that, I can add them together. I can say 13 plus 14 gives me 27. And then I just find what is the half of 27? 27 divided by 2. That will also give me 13 and a half. That's another way of finding it. And now the mode. The mode is that one, the score that occurs the most, or the one that I have the most of, and I have 2 14s. So my mode in this case will be 14. Okay, let's look at the last one. Here I've got length in meters, so I can once again just assume that this is a class of kids, and this one's 1,65 meters tall, this one's 1,83, 1,55, 1,81, 1,73, and 1,65. Now I need to order them. That's step number 1. That's the shortest child, so I'll write that down, 1,55. Next one, that will be 1,65. I've got another one of those, 1,65. Then I have 1,73, 1,73. Now this one, 1,81, and the tallest one, 1,83, 1,83. Okay, once again, bunny hops. I've got to find the median, the one in the middle. One, in, and in, and in. Once again, my middle number will be over here. So I need to go and work it out. So if you can't see the middle, you're going to add again. So you're going to say, okay, well, I'm going to take 1,65, that number plus that number, 1,73. I add it up, that's 8, 3, and 3. Then I end up with 3,38 meters, but now I need to find the half of that because it's midway between the two. So that's going to be 3,38 divided by 2. I'm going to do a little short division. How many times will 2 fit into 3? Once. What's left over? A 1. But now I've got a comma there. Remember the comma. 2 into 13, how many times? 2 times 6 gives me 12. 1 is left over because I have 13. There's my 1 that's left over. 2 into 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. There's my answer, 1,69. So my median, the number in the middle, will be 1,69. And the mode, the number or the score that I have the most of, that's going to be that one, 1,65. And that's it. That's how you're going to do the work. So you are working on page 142 and you are only completing number 6 for me. Number 6, A, B, and C. Okay, guys, speak to you again. Bye.